part of responsibility of students towards their classroom. Maintenance of class is not only the duty of class teacher, it's a collaboration of students as well. May our skit be a graceful and impactful way to achieve and develop your personality and responsibilities towards our school and class.
Scene 1. Bell ring. Students are playing and chit-chatting with each other. Some are messing around. The classroom is untidy. Chairs are scattered. There is litter around.
Happy morning, students! Happy morning, students! See that boy, he's still sitting. Can't you hear, dear?
Sorry, ma'am. Happy morning.
Okay, sit down. Is this the way to maintain classroom, Prathamesh? Look around, how messy it is.
Sorry, ma'am. I tried telling them yesterday, but no one listens.
Sit. So yesterday we have started electromagnetic waves, so take a note of it. Hey, why you both are chit-chatting? Leave him. You are not paying any attention nowadays, Ayush.
Ma'am, it's just a classroom, not a museum.
It's not just a classroom. It's like your second home. But you are not paying attention as well. You are in secondary section now. You should lead by an example. Why do you think the council members are made? It's just to make a role model for all the students, so that all the students can copy them and be in discipline. I'll suggest you to make a plan or take some initiatives to maintain your classroom, I guess.
Yesterday, ma'am was very angry. I feel we should take some initiative to improve our discipline.
Yes, but what we will do now?
May I suggest something? We can make a plan to communicate and take a role on that. I will make it in recess. Till that we will see. After teacher went, students are discussing about the responsibility given to them by teachers and planning to do something. Prathamesh, class monitor, have made the plan and he is distributing work amongst his friends. Students are showing up with different ideas. Alright, here's the plan. Ayush, you will be in charge of discipline, Vedant, art corner and decoration. I will be with ma'am to make everything goes on right track. Me? Discipline? That's ironic. I don't think I can manage this all. You are not alone, we are all with you. Let's support each other. Scene 4. Teacher enters with hope of getting some new ideas to manage classroom from her students and left shocked by the students.
Happy morning, students.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Why so class so disciplined and quiet? Okay, sit down. I guess yesterday I have given some work to do. Have you ever done?
Yes, ma'am.
Show your plan, Prathamesh.
Academic responsibilities. Being prepared, this includes having necessary material, completing assignment on time, and being ready to participate. Active participation. Attending classes, engaging in discussion, and asking questions when needed are all part of taking responsibilities for one's learning. Respecting the learning environment. This involves minimizing distraction, being on time, and maintaining a positive attitude that supports both individual and collective learning. Academic integrity. Honesty in completing assignment and avoiding plagiarism is crucial for maintaining a fair and trustworthy learning environment. Thank you. Classroom environment. Respecting others. This means treating classmates and teachers with courtesy, listening attentively, and valuing diverse perspectives, contributing to a positive atmosphere. Students should strive to create a space where everyone feels comfortable learning and participating, maintaining the physical space. Keeping the classroom clean and organized is a shared responsibility that contributes to a more pleasant and functional environment. Following rules and procedures.
Adhering to classroom and school rules ensures a smooth and orderly learning process for everyone. Thank you.
Beyond the classroom, extending responsibility to the school community, this might involve participating in school activities, respecting school property, and contributing to a positive school culture. Taking responsibility for one's action, being accountable for mistakes, and learning from them is a key aspect of personal growth and development. Being a positive role model. Students can inspire others by demonstrating responsibility, integrity, and commitment to learning. Thank you.
The most important points you missed here: maintain the discipline in the class, obey teachers, be helpful by clearing their materials after a class, abide by the rules of the school, cooperate with the teachers, decorate our classrooms with charts, posters, etc. Being a part of a class means more than just attending lessons. It means actively contributing to a positive and respectful learning environment. As a senior student, I expect to set a good example for my peers and juniors by demonstrating discipline, cooperation, and commitment to academic excellence. My class, my responsibility emphasizes that each student has a duty to contribute to a positive and productive learning environment within their classroom. This includes being prepared, respectful, self-disciplined, and actively engaged in learning. It's about taking ownership of one's action and their impact on the class as a whole. Ultimately, my class is a reflection of who we are as individuals and as a group. Thank you and have a wonderful day.